Hi guys, my name's Mandy, and this is my presentation over the VIA character strengths. These are my top 5 traits from when I did the assessment. 1 being fairness, 2 honesty, 3 appreciation for beauty and excellence, 4 kindness, and 5 being spirituality. The top 3 are fairness, honesty, and appreciation of beauty and excellence. The positive for each trait are, for fairness, it's treating people the same, not trying to let feelings get in the way. Honesty being genuine and sincere, taking responsibility. The appreciation for beauty and excellence. The appreciation for beauty of and in nature, appreciating beauty that everyone is different and unique. Were I surprised by any of the 3 top strengths in the survey? In all honesty, no. I wasn't really surprised, as I use most of those on a day-to-day basis. Describe one way you use your signature traits. One way that I use the signature traits is with fairness. I use it on a daily, just with the job in itself, as a lunch lady, as I when serving breakfast and lunch, making sure everybody's treated the same and they get, same options for food between breakfast and lunch. Describe how you might use one of your signature strengths in a new way, perhaps related to your new career. The one way I could use the trait for the appreciation for beauty and excellence in my career is that there's always something new to appreciate with the different types of wildlife in their environments. And that is all that I have for my presentation. Thank you guys.